Okay, so here's a fiddlehead fern, and these ferns are actually edible. And so you want to catch them when they're a little bit younger and haven't quite opened up yet. They're sort of a little bit kind of bitter, but they are quite edible. And so ideally you want to catch them when they're smaller and bundled up. You definitely don't want to eat them after they've sort of opened up at this point. And here we've got some little brown mushrooms. A couple of them there. I'm not sure what those are. And so it seems like they've got brown gills. So I wouldn't venture to say what those are. Brown gills and kind of a fibrous stem, and the gills do not seem to be attached to the stem. And so anyway, that's your nature tip for today. And there's your fiddlehead fern again. And there's the sort of blossomed one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Down the nature path.